Hi there. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also good. Thanks.
Long time no see.
Yes,
How is everything over there in your country?
it is much better now. We don't
Okay,
have lockdown and curfew.
okay,
Everything is
excellent.
open.
Oh, so everything's back to normal.
Yes, almost.
So let's talk about a specific subject. It's about cars and driving. What kind of car do you consider looks the most attractive?
Actually, I'm not very fond of cars, so
Oh,
I'm also unaware of different models of car. Most of the cars I see on the road, I like them,
okay.
and yes,
All right then. Can you drive?
yes, I can.
You can drive. How long have you had your license for?
I think for 1 year. Back in Pakistan, I had a car.
Okay.
I kept it for 1 year, and that the color of that car was silver.
Okay. So what's the process? I want you to explain the process of getting a driver's license in your country.
In Pakistan, there is a license office where we have to go. It is not an easy task to get your license. It takes a whole day.
Oh,
So when
wow.
you go, yes. So when you go over there, there are so many queues, and you have to stand and wait for your turn. Then they test your eyesight, and then you also have your medical
Mm-hmm.
there. Afterwards, they ask you to drive. There is a test to drive. So after that, finally you get your driving license.
Do you have to present any theoretical exam or just practical?
No, there is an exam on computer as well,
Okay.
and where you have to tell that what is the meaning of different signs on the road,
Mm-hmm.
and all those signs appear on the screen, and you have to select from the different options.
How many questions are they?
There are almost, I think, I think 100 questions.
100.
Yes.
And how many of those questions do you have to get correct to pass the exam?
I'm not sure about it, but maybe almost 70% or 60%.
70%. Okay,
Yes.
so that is quite a lot. The theoretical exam, how difficult was it for you?
For me, it was quite difficult because before that I was not aware of those signals. Some of them I was familiar with, but most of the questions were hard,
Mm.
and they were also confusing as well because the
Oh,
options were very much similar. So it was quite difficult to
to
find out the
distinguish.
correct. Yes,
Okay. So, do you consider yourself a good driver or not a very good driver?
I am a normal driver,
Okay.
I must say, but I am very cautious. So I like to drive my car not very fast.
Okay.
So
That's perfect.
yes,
What's the fastest that you have ever gone in a car when driving?
I think 80 km/h.
Is the fastest.
Yes.
Okay.
Here in Saudi Arabia, it is very hard to get
Oh,
license.
really? Why?
It is not kids' stuff to get your license. I mean, if you are failed in the physical driving test, so they ask you to come and have some classes in which they teach you how to pass it. And if you fail the test even after that, then you have to take some more classes. And until you pass the physical test, you have to keep taking classes like that. So
Wow.
sometimes people get 15 classes, 30 classes, 45 classes, like this.
Oh, wow, until they get a license.
Yes. Another thing is that even if you get your license, the traffic rules and regulations are very strict. If you cross the signal when it is red, so you have to pay a huge amount of fine. That is the reason I'm afraid to get my license because I think that if I make any mistake, so I have to pay a lot of money.
Oh, I understand.